How to fund your Bamboo app. In this video, I'll be taking us through how we can fund our Bamboo app. All you need to do is to log into your Bamboo, input your password. It will open up for you. So for you, if you are funding your Bamboo app, all you need to do is to come down to where you have add money right here. You click on add money. You click on add money and it will open up this interface for you. So you are going to pick which wallet would you like to deposit into. So we have the USD wallet and we have the Naira wallet. So if you are using your USD wallet, you click on it and follow the procedure. You input the amount of USD, then you click on deposit. Let's, for example, want to deposit 50 USD. You click on deposit and it will take you down to this place for you to use the debit card, or you want to use the Flutterwave. If you want to use your Paystack or Flutterwave or USD domiciliary transfer, that is if you have any dollar account in your normal, maybe UBA, Zenith or Access domiciliary account, you can use this. Then if you have a brokerage account that has a pending fee in it, you can use this brokerage account. This brokerage account means another app that is for shares and stock, like your Trove, your Pluto Snail, your Optimus and so on. So those are other brokerage accounts. If you have money in them that you want to use them to fund your Bamboo app, you can also use this option. You can see each of the fee that is attached to each of those accounts. Then if you want to use Flutterwave, you can see the fees also. So anyone you want to go for, just click on it. Let's assume you want to use this. You click on it, it will load up for you and provide you the needed information that you need. It's going to display this for you to input the details of the card that you want to use to make that payment. So you can see here you will be paying 51.55 cents USD. That is the amount you'll be sending. So 50 USD will be deposited into your Bamboo app. So that is how it goes. That is how you will deposit it if you are depositing in USD. But for the purpose of this video, we are not depositing in USD, we are depositing in Naira. So let's go back, cancel payments, and come back to this particular place. You click on your add money, it will load up. You pick your Naira wallet and then it will open up for you. You input that amount. Maybe you want to input any amount. Let's say I want to input 30,000. So I will be adding 200 naira extra for charges fee, because I don't want that money to reduce from that 30k. So now once you get this fix, you are going to see this deposit will pop up for you. So you click on this deposit and it will take you down to this place. From this place, you pick that particular way that you want to send the money. Is it through direct bank transfer, or you want to use Flutterwave, which you can use, or you want to use any available brokerage accounts that you have fund in it. So let's take it one after the other. Just as I've explained earlier, if you want to use any brokerage funding accounts, you click on this and it will demand you, give you all of these details that you can use, but we are not using this for this in this video. We'll go back. But if you are to use your debit card, all you need to do is to just click on this debit/credit card. It will load up for you and provide this for you. So you'll be having the actual amount that you will need to send. If you remember, initially we wanted to send 30,200 to this account. So if we are using our card, we will be paying 30,622 naira point 80 kobo. Then what you need to do here is to input your card number in this spot. You can see the spot. You input your card number here, the valid till that is always on your card. You input it here, and then your CVV number. The CVV number is that 3-digit number that is always at the back of your ATM card. So you input all of those details here. Once you've input it, this pay will pop up. Then you click on pay, and the money will be deducted direct from your card, which is your bank. That is if you want to use the ATM way. Now the next one here is the direct bank transfer, which is the one I prefer using. So you just click on your direct transfer, and you are going to be seeing the Naira account details. You can see it says fund your Naira wallet by making a direct transfer from any bank. So you can use any bank. Then let me chip in this for those that are saying, oh, they are giving me Monify account and I don't have a Monify account. They are giving me Paystack and I don't have that account. It does not mean that the account that shows on your name is what is the account you will have. So what this simply means is that you are sending money to someone. So the kind of account that the person is using does not concern you. Your own is to make sure you pick that accurate account. So what you need to just pay attention to is the bank name, the account number, and the name after your account name. So for my own account now, you can see it says account name Monify / bamboo, then DEB, which is the first 3 letters of my name. So that is how you will also have your own. So my own account number now for this transaction is 6266590111. So this is my personal own. Once you start generating your own will be different from my own. I hope you get that. Your own will be different from my own. Your name will be different from my name, and if possible, the bank name that will be given to you will be different from my own. So what you need to do is to click on this copy icon here. You can see it shows below here, copied to your clipboard, meaning we have copied this account number. Now we will go straight into our bank app to send the actual amount that we want to send into this account. Don't forget we are sending 30,200. So here in my bank app, I will pick transfer and pick the bank that I want to send the money into. You can see that the bank given to me was Money Point Microfinance Bank. I'll pick that. Then you come down to beneficiary and paste that particular account number that you copied earlier from your Bamboo app that was generated to you. Paste it. Make sure you did not try to write it down. Just copy and paste for easy access. And once you paste it, you are going to see that you bring the name. You can see it shows Bamboo /DEB, which is the first 3 letters of my name there. So you input the amount. So don't forget that we have stated in our Bamboo app that we are sending 30,200 naira into the app. So that is the actual amount we are going to input, and add your narration that you want to use to it from your app. Then you just go ahead to click on proceed. Click on transfer, allow it to load, and voila, you have been debited. And you are going to see that it shows sources. You can see Access Bank had debited me the sum of 30,200 naira. So if you come back to your app here, you are going to see there is already a notification there. So let's re-log in to check our balance. Before we were having $3 here, and right now it has increased to $24. That is because of the money we just sent into the account. So here is how you fund your Bamboo app all by yourself in few minutes without any delay or stress. If you find this video helpful, if you've watched to this extent and you are yet to like, kindly smash the like button and feel free to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified each time I drop more videos. And if you have any question to ask, drop your question in the comment section and I will be glad to provide an answer to your question. I will see you in the next video where we'll be talking about how to buy different kind of stocks. To build your portfolio as a newbie, a fresher, or a starter on the Bamboo app. Thank you and bye for now. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.